We're up here at Adventure Off-Road Park for the Shamrock Shootout, and it has been one heck of a weekend. We broke our ring and pinion first off, so now we're in a rental. Daryl let us borrow the TJ, which, funny story is, Jimmy built that 25 years ago. And now we are up here to meet Josh on the top of George Winters. His son broke an axle, which caused steering issues. So come with us as we take this 5-hour tour on an epic recovery. You okay?
Yeah, he's alright. This pocket sucks.
Yeah.
You get the cable right between your nose.
Hey, there.
There you go.
Other end.
Hit the remote against the door.
I probably need to go ahead and let the winch cable off of him, right?
I don't know.
Maybe a little.
I rolled.
That's the best kind of roll when you're hooked to somebody.
It is hard. It's hard, dog.
Let it out. Jimmy's got it. I'm gonna have a whole compilation video of Joshua.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you didn't tell me up that day I broke.
Well, you don't want to be on your lid?
I'm on my lid by myself.
If he'd have rolled, you'd probably rolled with him.
I let him tell me, but I had a long rope. Yeah, way back here from. I can power steering for it. Like it catches and stops. You gotta go back and turn again. Well, steering wheel locks.
I think that's everything. So nothing else you got now to do.
Pump one.
Okay, that's it. I hope it's not.
off the side.
He's on forward. He's on up.
What is it?
It got a little crooked, but it's starting to set down.
About me or him?
Him. Back tire was off the ground. Was. It set down. Just go real easy.
Back tire's coming off. What it be?
There you go.
It's about to go over a stump.
Go easy. There's a stump there.
That back tire's on a stump over here, Josh.
You gonna hook this winch to the passenger side top of his cage?
Hey, Josh, you want to hook the winch up?
I can't hear you.
You want to hook the winch up to the top of the cage?
I can't hear you. That fan's loud on that thing.
You want to hook our winch up top side of the cage?
I'm about ready to just leave it.
No,
Well,
we'll
right
get it
there's
out.
easy, bro.
We'll get it out, Josh. Just push
That
off.
tire right there.
Hook the winch up. We'll hold him stable and you just ease down. That's a good plan. Let's just do it.
I don't think that if you winch to that, I don't think it'll hold it. I think it's going to try to tip you.
If I get the top on the passenger side, it should hold it down.
Do you get the what?
Went to the top passenger side of his cage.
You talking about you getting over here?
Yeah, I'll get right up behind him. You went up there, and then he can't turn over. Or Daryl can get over there.
Daryl's up there. He can hook. Hey.
It's testing me.
I know, it's all right.
Well, I might be able to get beside it, put the tire against him.
I think if we could straighten that thing with the tires not kicked all the way like this, because it's just trying to freaking snatch it. If we could just at least straighten it, I think it would pull better.
Well, he's staying pretty much right straight behind you.
It's going over, and then it's jerking it back, and then it's going over, and it's jerking it back. And it's like those leaf springs keep hitting against, and it won't let it come up. Like it's just, I've got my winch off the front over to him, and with him sitting on the passenger side of the back, it's trying to flip me over.
Yeah.
Like right now, it's got my buggy leaned so far over, it's got me nervous.
Yeah.
I say just hook up Daryl's winch to his passenger side and ease him down because we're almost down to the easy trail.
I say, let me ease off on my winch and him ease off his winch, and let me pull forward, and then winch back together once he sets down off of me.
So you want me to pull down on the side?
Josh, if it was me, come on, you gotta laugh at that.
Let me pull the tire against his, see if I can just push him over with the steering.
Are you talking about turning and?
Yeah.
I don't know, Jim. Okay.
I gotta try something.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is let off on your wing. I'm gonna let off on my wing. I'm gonna try to pull forward so you're not sitting on me. Yeah, no, you got a long way to go for a go. Alright, let off on your wing. Yeah, but it's still gonna go that way. This tire's down in this rut. So I'm gonna have to, I need to get over here and hook up to something and try to slide this front end over. I don't know.
If he winches it up, it'll pick that tire off the ground.
Well, maybe we do that and just hold him over to get him off his stuff over.
I mean, we can try. We can try. So when I get him up here, I'm gonna try to get behind him and see if I can't pull that steering arm straight. That way it's not trying to snatch him to the right all the time.
Well, you can use this one.
I mean, I don't know what else to do. Like you said, it might break. But
You want to do it right here?
I don't know, Jimmy. I'm lost.
I got the winch.
I'm lost. Like I don't know what to do. Boy, howdy.
Looks like she's rat nest.
Yeah.
drag the ass end over while we're here?
Probably need to. Can you do it from right there, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Is Noah strapped in?
I don't want it. He's over here.
It might mess up this nice one.
I'd say come over here though.
Hey, Noah.
Nah,
Noah, get up back on that rock.
Yeah. No, them cables don't feel good when they break.
There you go. Yeah, if that was a snap, you'd be right in the line of fire. Yep, there you go. awesome. One night. You're awesome. Oh, did you see it? Your boy's gonna become an AOP legend.
Y'all need to move. Y'all need to not be there.
Hey, come on this side, Noah. Come up here with us.
You're not supposed to be nowhere around the winch cable whenever it's winching because it'll break. Did it get locked back in?
off there.
Hang on, let me,
Hang on, he's got a tire breaking off the wheel over here.
yeah, here. You can let out of it, Jimmy. It's fine.
Oh, I have to back up a minute. There's on the inside lead there.
On this one?
Yeah.
Let me unhook.
All right, man.
Quit.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Hang on. It's,
Pull over. I said, if you need me to, I'll pull over and get him.
what? This tire's digging in. It's trying to go that way up the hill. It's trying to flip it over. I gotta get this front end over this way somehow.
What?
Is there anything I can get y'all to help y'all out?
No, not really. Just gotta take it easy. Appreciate it though.
Still a water flow up the samurai, ain't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Don't need anything, let us know.
I appreciate it. So you made it back. How was it, Josh?
That was absolutely
Are you okay now?
terrible. Still want to burn it off. I'll give you 50 bucks
Man,
for
when
it
it
right
flipped over
now.
the second time, I was like, why am I not
The
down there
third
to do
time
this?
or the
I know
fourth
it's good.
time?
Was it 4?
Well, that last one was kind of 2 and 1.
He said he watched it flip 3 times and then it flipped before he got there.
So yeah, so I got it on camera, so we'll count them.
Oh my God. It's been a rough weekend.
Hey, at least it made it back, right? Barely.
He busted my grill.
Hey, Josh, you busted his grill. What the heck? What kind of recovery service are you?
Horrible kind. So I did save your piece.
You want to go to the Waffle House?
Ain't nothing else open.
Yeah.